Okay, so a lot of people have been wondering how to remove the lid on the vault cases. I've never done it, so we're going to learn together, see how long it takes me to figure it out. So down here we have just some push pins, like normal. So I'm going to try some needle nose and a flathead screwdriver. So see if we can get grip on it. Flip it over. Yeah, it looks like it just goes right to the edge over here. There we go. Just got to be able to get right behind it. There we go. And we need to move it enough. So flip it over. And we have better access to it. Let's grab some needle nose. So it's a smooth, tapered end, both sides. So nothing proprietary about it. Doesn't have any, like on the Apache cases, there's some grooves to hold it in. Being a little stubborn. Push that out just a little bit more. There's both the pins. And take the lid. Perfect. Then reinstall them just like they came out. Tap them in. We're good to go. So that's how to remove a vault case lid. Seems simple enough, right? Oh, these purple cases were on sale when I got this, but you can get them on Amazon. Academy usually doesn't carry purple. They carry the tan and the black.